I don't know about y'all, but on a cold day, I'm making a slow cooker pot roast to keep me warm. First, we're going to start off dicing 3 russet potatoes, half a white onion, some celery, and some baby carrots. Next, we're going to season our chuck roast with salt, pepper, flour, and add it to a hot skillet with oil and brown both sides. Now, while that meat's cooking, we're going to go ahead and add our veggies to the crock pot and add some garlic. Then we're going to add some seasoning. We got some salt, some pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, basil. After 5 to 6 minutes, you want to flip your chuck roast, and it should be looking nice and brown, just like me. After seasoning our veggies, we're going to add some red wine and some beef broth. And then mix all that goodness together. Last but not least, we're going to add our chuck roast into the crock pot, and don't forget all them little drippings for that extra flavor. Then pop on that lid, and after 6.5 long hours later, we got us some tender, juicy pot roast with the sweet baby carrot and tender potatoes.